The New York ecosystem is an urban environment influenced by artificial light and filled with all sorts of urban plants and animals, such as house cats and dandelions. We chose it because light pollution can affect the wildlife, and New York is a unique environment to this project because it's urban.
In the New York ecosystem, dandelions, grass, and trees are the producers, which are then eaten by primary consumers, worms, pigeons, birds, and mice. And then they're eaten by secondary consumers, which are rats, cats, and snakes. And then those are eaten by hawks or owls.
Only 10% of energy available within one trophic level is transferred to organisms at the next trophic level. Seeds, plants, and grains and dandelions are 100% producers, which energies are passed on to the first level consumers, small birds, squirrels, pigeons, and mice, which is then consumed by second level consumers, snakes, home cats, and rats, of which 1% of the original energy is left. Finally, 0.1% of the energy is passed on to the third level consumers, hawks and owls. The energy pyramid has heat escape the rest of the energy. What holds in common is that the sun and artificial light help the producers grow.
First, the water starts in the clouds and then goes and rains into a sewer system, which goes to either a filtration plant or the ocean. From the filtration plant, it can be put into water towers and public works. The water runoff seeps into the ground and gets taken up by roots. From there, it evaporates, called transpiration. From there, it condensates into clouds and starts over again.
Limiting factors are density dependent and density independent, and both affect the New York ecosystem. The independent factor for brook trout is temperature. If it's too cold, the fish don't eat and then starve, which lowers the population. The dependent factor is if there is an algae bloom, which increases the population of the brook trout, and that can lead to overpopulation, or the algae blocks out sunlight and all the fish die underneath.
Biggest impact in the New York ecosystem is humans because they forest down for lumber and that destroys the habitats. Humans also divert water from lakes, rivers, and the ocean, changing the water levels and changing ecosystems. You can protect the New York ecosystem by keeping your zebra mussels under control because they can get into pipes and grow on plants. Kill them.
Native Americans and the first settlers there used controlled forest fires to make land to farm and live on in the dense forests there.
Controlled forest fires can destroy habitats, but controlled burns are needed in the Great Plains to get rid of dead plants and trees. Certain trees only drop their seeds when they're burned.